money, Daddy.
What up? So D, and I'm back with another video. Sorry about the loud noise, it's the AC running, and it's hot out here, man. But yeah, so I got this Invicta watch here. We're gonna crack it open, see what's inside. So basically, you know, everything Marvel coming out. Got the Marvel movies. Got the Spider-Man video game about to come out. So I basically wanted to get something special for that occasion. It's the Marvel joint. There you go. That's the reflection. So I wanted to get this watch. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Get the little salt packets. So that's the whole box. See what it comes with. Cleaning cloth. Got the Invicta stamp guide, because you know, basically let you know that it's legit, it's real, it's a warranty card and all that. Back in there, file. Here's the watch in itself. This thing is heavy. If you know anything about Invicta, this is modeled after the Venom. It's heavy, man. Like all Invicta watches usually have heft to it. I used to collect them back in the days, and I stopped, sold them all. But this Spider-Man one, yo, I ain't gonna lie, I had to grab it. Now, I'm really a Hulk fan, but the Hulk watch looked kind of ugly. So I was like, I'm gonna go with the Spider-Man joint. They do have a Venom version, all black. I'll leave a link in the description where you go to purchase it if they're not sold out, because these things tend to like sell out mad quick. So I'm gonna take the plastic off this thing. Let's see, pop this off. I do like how they wrap it in on plastic to make sure it doesn't get scuffed or anything. So it's like fresh. Like I bought a car one time and it was like that. Had still plastic still on it and everything. I thought that was special because anytime I get a car, I usually don't get that pleasure to see the plastic being peeled off of it. Let me see. Plastic on here tight though. I know some tabs and shit. Here we go. Got the tabs. There we go. And here's the next one. So that's basically the watch in itself. Big dials, big dials. The joint is official. So I gotta size it up. I got a size kit. So I gotta take some of the links off. This thing right here look official. Can't wait to put it in a nice outfit, rock it out. But yeah, that's about it. Just want to show y'all that. You know what I mean? Put y'all on just in case, you know, you're a Marvel fan like me, you want to cop something nice for yourself. The watch goes for around, I think $400. So, yeah. You know what I mean? I found it at, I forgot what the website was called. I'll leave it in a link in the description. But, yeah, so you go get one yourself. Alright, that's about it. You know what I mean? I'll holler at y'all later. Easy.